Hello everyone, this is Rutrita and welcome back to my channel The Beautiful Soul. I hope you all are doing good. So আজকের ভিডিওটা কিন্তু আমার লাস্ট ভিডিওর মতনই আরেকটা হল ভিডিও and today I am also going to talk about Amazon Great Indian Sale. But the difference between the last video and today's video is last ভিডিওতে আমি দেখিয়েছিলাম fashion haul. So it was all about fashion. If you haven't checked that out, please go ahead and check that out. And আজকের ভিডিওতে আমি শুধু দেখাচ্ছি my beauty and skincare pics. So without any further delay, let's get started. সো প্রথমে অ্যামাজন গ্রেট ইন্ডিয়ান ফেস্টিভ্যাল সম্বন্ধে একটু বলে নিই। এই অ্যামাজন গ্রেট ইন্ডিয়ান ফেস্টিভ্যালে এভরি আওয়ার তোমরা পেয়ে যাচ্ছ অ্যামেজিং ডিলস। এছাড়াও থাকছে টুডে ডিলস, তোমরা প্রত্যেক দিন ভালো ভালো ডিলস পেতে পারো। ইউ ক্যান কালেক্ট কুপনস, ইউ ক্যান শপ বাই ফেস্টিভ্যাল ফর ক্রিয়েটিং ডিফারেন্ট লুকস ইন দিস দিওয়ালি। সো এই তো গেল অ্যামাজন গ্রেট ইন্ডিয়ান ফেস্টিভ্যাল সম্বন্ধে। তো চলো আমরা দেখে নিই হোয়াট আই হ্যাভ পিকড ফ্রম দিস গ্রেট ইন্ডিয়ান ফেস্টিভ্যাল। So প্রথমেই বলে নিই, I have picked up so many lipsticks in this haul from this festival because they are having amazing some offers in lipsticks, and you guys all know how lipstick sucker I am. So I'm lipsticks এ পরে আসছি। So first let me show you what I have picked. So প্রথমেই আমি নিয়েছি Philips এর Cello Dry Compact Hair Dryerটা, and this is how it looks like. Colorটা খুবই সুন্দর and I have used this earlier as well. So this is something we all need into our life, and আর এটা চলেও অনেক দিন, easy to use and খুব lightweight. So next I have picked up this duo combo from Charlie, and these are 3 colors and these are 3 variants. I have picked up for this for a bhai phota purpose, so I can give my sisters and brothers. So for that reason you can also pick up this. They are having some great offers for these duos, and they smell so good. So if you are planning to have your hands on this type of duo, you should go ahead and have this. So the next one is this shampoo. This is Herbal Essence Bio Renew shampoo. It has argan oil into it, which makes my hair really very hydrated and moistured, and at the same time it doesn't feel like my hair looks frizzy or something like that. So if you are having a budget friendly shampoo, you should go ahead and check out this. The next one is Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. I don't think I have to say much about this because this product is already been a great product by the brand Garnier. It cleanses all the impurities and makeup and everything from my skin very mildly. So this is my go-to product. So the next one is Indulekha Bhringadi oil. This I really want to try this hair oil one. This comes with this kind of applicator, which is I think really easy to apply into your scalp, and I have been trying to use this one for quite a while now. So I think this is the perfect time when I have picked up, because they have also giving a nice offer to me. So I picked up this one, and I will definitely planning to give a review on this, how it works on my scalp, on my hair. So this is what I picked up. So the next one is also from Garnier. This is Garnier Hydra Boom Eye Serum Mask. This is of 99 rupees, but I have picked up this around 69 rupees, I guess. And this is really cool for for your under eye area when you are feeling very dry, dehydrated, or your under eye puff is really increased badly, then you can use this eye serum mask. So the next one is Maybelline New York concealer and Fit Me concealer. This is in the shade of 10 light, and this gives pretty nice coverage, and it stays for quite a long time and doesn't crease my under eye area at all. So this is a perfect budget friendly concealer. So the next one is a liquid eyeshadow from the brand of Swiss Beauty. I have heard a lot of good thing about this highlighter, so I have picked up this one. This is in the shade of 01 Gold Goddess, and I am really looking forward to try this out. The next one is from the brand of Minimalist, and this is their moisturizing cream. I have used so many Minimalist products, and they are doing some amazing products. So I have to pick this up, and I really want to try this out for a long time. But in this Amazon Great Indian Festival, they are giving some great offers, so I have to pick this out right now. Next is Maybelline New York Fit Me foundation. This is in the shade of 115 Ivory, and I don't think I need to say much about this product because this product is their cult favorite, and this gives a very nice matte finish onto your face, which I really like because whoever have my type of skin, like sometimes it gives greasy look or sometimes it gives really dry, this kind of foundation is really very helpful for them. The next one is another one from Maybelline New York. This is their another cult favorite. This is their colossal eyeliner, and this is how it looks like. I don't think I have to introduce you or I have to tell you more about this product. If you want a great perfect winged eyeliner, then you have to have this in your life. Now I am moving towards the lipstick section. So I have picked up so many lipstick, you guys. So the first one from this haul pick is this Versace Canada one. This is their weightless matte finish lipstick, and this is in the shade of Forsake Beauty 01. This is a perfect brown shade. If you want to make it nude, you can make it nude, or otherwise you can make a really dark, beautiful brown onto your lips. Also, I have to appreciate the packaging. The packaging is really very nice. This is their inner packaging. This is really nice and classy, and the outer packaging is something like this, and how it looks like. So the next one is from Maybelline New York, the matte creams, and this is in the shade of 902 Choco Rice, and this is also a beautiful brown, and it looks very nice to Indian skin tones, and this gives very nice subtle creamy effect onto your lips. So but this is a matte lipstick, so this is a really very beautiful lipstick and beautiful color indeed. So the next one is also from Maybelline New York, and this is in the shade of 696 Burgundy Blush, and this is what I am right now. I am wearing into my lips, and this looks really very dark wine color, and it looks so gorgeous, and I think this is the perfect color to have you this Diwali, because you know we all love to be a little bit brighter than regular, so in this festive season, so I think this is the perfect time to pick this color. The next one is also from Maybelline New York. This is from their sensational liquid matte range, and this is in the shade of 02 Soft Wine. This is a beautiful wine shade, and at the same time it also gives a very rustic look to your lips, and the matteness is totally to die for. So this is something I really love, and I have so many shades of this lipstick, so this is a perfect choice and perfect pick. The next one is from Lakme Absolute range, and this is their matte melt mini lipsticks, and this is in the shade of 503 Wine Voyage, and just give a moment to appreciate this packaging. This is how it looks like from the outer packaging, and when it comes to the inner packaging, this is how it looks like. This is also a perfect brown shade. It is a darker brown shade, which sometimes you might end up looking maroon if you have a bit of dark skin tone, but if you are from fair skin to normal medium skin tone person, it will look nice brown onto your lips. Next lipsticks are from Swiss Beauty. These are their from Bullet lipstick range, and these are two shades. These are from the shades are 03 Athena and 21 Bold Wine. Both the shades are beautiful. One is from brown undertone, one is with pink undertone. Both the shades are amazing. The texture is so beautiful, so creamy, so buttery onto the lips. It stays good 5 to 6 hours on the lips, depending on the texture of your lip, depending how hydrated you keep your lips, but more or less it keeps good 5 to 6 hours onto your lips, and shades are so beautiful, and I have heard a lot of good things about these lipsticks, and so I have to pick these up. Next is also from Maybelline New York, and this is their Super Stay Matte Ink lipsticks. These are the beautiful products, and you have to keep these in your lives. Like these, the shades which I have is 120 Artist and 80 Ruler. Both the shades are very beautiful. This is from the pink shade, this is from the brown shade, and both the lipsticks are so matte onto the lips. Once you apply onto the lips, you just have to forget about it. This keeps on your lips good 8 to 10 hours without any touching up or anything, and this gives a very nice moistured look onto your lips. It doesn't make your lips flaky or dry while applying this lipstick. So these are the beautiful products, and if you have planning to have a lipstick which stays good time, at the same time it gives very nice matte finish onto your lips, you just go ahead and purchase this one. So this is all about what I have picked up from Amazon Great Indian Festival. All the products links are listed below in the description box. So if you want to check out anything or if you want to purchase anything, please go ahead and check out my description box. All the links are listed below. So this is all about today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. See you into my next one. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay beautiful, stay healthy. Shobar Kali Pujo khub bhalo katuk, and happy Diwali to everybody. Bye.